everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the link for this video and watching it. I'm going to be doing a review today on something that I'm very excited about. When I found out that Christen Dominique was coming out with another palette for her cosmetics line, Dominique Cosmetics, I literally like set my alarm for exactly when the launch was going to happen. I ordered the collection, so it came with the palette and 4 lip products. So it comes, you know, wrapped up. There's that sticker, comes in the case. Open it up. Same type of style, you know, it's the embossed lettering. And then when you open it, I'm so excited. And take out the little shield that they have. And again, a big mirror going on. And then we have all these lovely colors here. Now, I absolutely love the fact that all her colors, they're all labeled underneath instead of being on the back like some palettes have been doing. And it's just easier so that when I'm explaining to you what colors I'm using, it's right there. So I'm gonna swatch these and then I'll be right back. Lemon soda, pink lemonade, nude tea, peach, cucumber, mango, sweet tea, and then this is where I kind of messed up. So this one is actually blueberry fizz, and then chai tea, and then strawberry. So first I'm gonna take my angled highlighter brush and I'm gonna apply the color nude tea all over my eyes. And I love this, like look, this is so convenient. I have a palette with a big enough mirror that I can put my makeup on, so it works out. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna take the color Sweet Tea, which is like this orangey color. So apply that and then shake off the excess. So like I did in the last video, just gonna go ahead and pat it on. Look at, I'm not even pushing it hard, but look at all that pigmentation right there. This is why Christen's palettes to me are freaking amazing. Like, and I mean, even when I swatched it on my arm, it didn't look this good. And I don't know, I just am so impressed by this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it on the outside corner. Don't worry about being too precise because we're gonna blend this out after. Apply a little bit more, so just out in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it, but don't lift it too high when you get to the inner corner. Kind of bring it down lower. I am like infamous for bringing my eyeshadow like all the way up here and not being able to fix it later, because I mean it doesn't look too bad, but it looks a lot better when I actually take my time and I work slower. But sometimes I don't have that luxury, because sometimes I'm just trying to record and while I'm like running out the door. So I have a lot of videos that I've tried to start recording and it just never made it, and I just deleted the footage because I was rushing or I wasn't explaining enough, and I just wasn't about that. So again, apply some more of that product, the Sweet Tea, on the outer corner. So just patting it on, and this is just so that, you know, you don't put too, it's not too harsh in the middle. It's a lot easier to have like the darker corner, because I'm gonna make this part darker. And so again, bringing it to the inner corner, but kind of keeping it a little bit farther down. There. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Chai Tea. So Chai Tea is gonna be this dark brown one here. And just in the outer corner. I'm gonna switch up the brushes. So I'm just lightly patting it on. And I'm gonna do it again. I don't, because I think I'm gonna do a cut. Well, actually, no. You know what? I might do something a little different. I'm thinking about it. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. I'm gonna do a halo eye because I've seen a lot of looks from this palette using like the mango and the sweet tea, but I kind of want to do like a halo eye with this the lemon soda, so it's like a bright color on the inside. So I'm just gonna get the brown and pat it right on the outsides here. I want to see how shimmery and glittery her shimmer shadows are. So now I'm going to use a pencil brush, and this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm going to go in with the color Chai Tea. And I'm going to just go ahead and connect it in the middle. I really wish I had a smaller concealer brush, but this is gonna have to do. So this is from Motives. It's their primer brush. I'm gonna use the Fit Me concealer, and this is gonna be used to carve out the inner part of the halo eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and then just keep it towards the center. Just apply it there. This is like a large flat eyeshadow brush from Cosette, and I'm gonna take that color. I'm really in a debate right now. I don't know if I want to just apply lemon soda straight to it, or I don't know. Kind of. Let's see. So I'm gonna apply it on here first. So I'm gonna apply it with my finger. It definitely, it's a lot brighter. It's more vibrant. Just right to the center. Oh yeah. Taking that dome brush from Cosette, I'm gonna go in with the color Mango and just go ahead and tap off the excess. Go ahead and apply that all around the edges here so it blends into the brown color. I'm gonna take the color Chai Tea and start blending that back out. So now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild blending brush, and this is from the holiday collection. It's a domed blending brush, and it's not as dense as the Cosette one. But I'm going to use that, and I'm going to take the color Sweet Tea. Make sure you shake off the excess. Go ahead and right above, we're going to start smoking this out on the top here. I'm going to take the color Mango, take a little bit of that and mix it with Nude Tea, and then go ahead and right here at the top of where my little ombre lines are going, just going to go ahead and take it up here just to blend it out. We're going to take that pencil brush from e.l.f. again, go in with the color Mango, and line all underneath here on the lower lid. Taking the Motives primer brush, I'm gonna dip into lemon soda, and I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Going in with Sweet Tea on the pencil brush, I'm gonna go from the outer corner here and kind of just bring it right almost back to the inner corner, but not quite. Then I'm gonna take Chai Tea on that pencil brush again and just on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go off camera real quick and finish up my eyes. So I'm back. I went ahead and finished up my eyes. I'm pretty excited about this because she came out with 4 liquid lips, and the colors are Sweet Tea, Peach Tea, Pink Lemonade, and Strawberry Lemonade. I hope I don't kill my lips with this, but I'm gonna swatch each of them and see which one looks the best. So this is the color Pink Lemonade, and you know what? It really kind of looks like Pink Lemonade, but it's not gonna match my eye makeup today, so this is gonna be a no for which one I'm gonna wear. And I love the packaging. It's like really chic looking, you know, has DC on it. It has lemonade on labeled right here. The color is listed below on a little tag, and like the way that it looks, it just looks really, it looks really professional. It looks very nice. You know, there's a bunch of acrylic on the side. So yeah, good job. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Sweet Tea. Again, the packaging is the same. I'm not too fond of the applicator. It's really flimsy. Like, well, not flimsy, like, I just like a little bit more of a hardy applicator. This is more of a bendy applicator. This one is more, it has more of a peach feel. It's still a gloss, it's sheer. If you know me and you've seen like my pictures, I love gloss. I love the glossy look. I just like a lot more pigment, so I like liquid lips more. I like liquid lipsticks more than I do just like a lip gloss. So now we have 2 left. We have Strawberry Lemonade, and then this is going to be Peach Tea. So Peach Tea and Strawberry Lemonade. I'm gonna try the Strawberry Lemonade one first because I feel like hopefully this one is not just a gloss formula. So this is more of a sheer pink. It's still a gloss. I'm still hoping, but I'm thinking that these might just all be glosses. If it is, I mean, they're great. They're really comfortable. It's not like that sticky gloss. It's not like, I don't know if you guys remember that original formula from the MAC lip gloss. I absolutely love the lip gloss. I feel like there's no other lip product, especially when it came out. Maybe now there are, but when it first came out, there was no other product like it, and it was freaking amazing, but it was really sticky. These aren't sticky. They're very comfortable on your lips. These are actually really pretty. It's just not what I'm looking for right now. So the last one I have is gonna be Peach Tea. And you know, I'm kind of thinking that I'm gonna be grabbing a lip gloss or a lip product from another brand to wear out tonight. So as far as these lip products, I'm pretty sure they're lip glosses. I did not read what I was buying. I just bought the collection because that's just me. But I will wear these. I like the fact that they're lip glosses. They're not shimmery, so I will be able to wear these to work. I mean, I can kind of get away with like the shimmery lip glosses, but I prefer when I'm at work just to kind of go more towards what's authorized in our regs than to kind of deviate from that. So I will wear these. These are very comfortable. They're, you know, they feel good on your lips. It's just for my eye look tonight, I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna go and pick I'm gonna go look through what I did bring with me and see if there's something I can wear, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Now, my thoughts on the Lemonade palette. Although I didn't use that many colors in here. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 out of the 10. So far, I really like the colors. There's really good pigmentation, and it's just it's blendable. It's good. I like this. I can't wait to see what else Christen actually comes out with as far as her cosmetics line. Her lip products, I'm not gonna knock it because I'm pretty sure if I go and look online, it's gonna say it's lip gloss and not a lipstick. But they wear really nicely. I can't argue, it's just not what I was looking for today. So if you're looking for some really good lip glosses that have really pretty pigmentation, no shimmer, they're more of just like the flat color, they're more flat colors than anything else, but they are really comfortable to wear. I'm not living for the applicator. I think it's just a little too flimsy, and I know that some people do like that where it's like not as sturdy, but for me, I like a little more hardiness with the applicator. That's basically it for today's look. I'm gonna go meet up with everybody downstairs, but I want to thank everybody out there for watching. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you have not yet. Join my ohana, like this video, and leave any comments, and I will get back to you guys later. Till then, I will see you guys next time.